Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed on Thursday to 99.55, its highest in 2 months, supported by weakness in other major currencies. At the same time, the US government shutdown has delayed critical data releases, forcing investors to rely on limited private indicators. Still, traders are confident the Fed will cut rates twice more this year, as minutes showed policymakers weighing softer labour markets against persistent inflation. International oil prices closed lower after Israel and Hamas signed a ceasefire deal, easing Middle East tensions significantly. The agreement brokered by the US includes both a Gaza ceasefire and a hostage release, marking a potential turning point in the conflict. Markets see this as a major breakthrough with wide-ranging implications, from reducing Houthi attacks in the Red Sea to possibly reviving Iran nuclear talks. At the same time, OPEC Plus announced a modest output increase from November, smaller than expected, calming fears of oversupply. Gold fell 2% on Thursday, dropping below the $4,000 mark to a low of $3,944.50, as a stronger dollar and profit-taking followed the Israel-Hamas ceasefire. The dollar index rose 0.5% to a 2-month high, making gold more expensive for overseas buyers. Some speculators trimmed positions as geopolitical risks eased, though broader bullish sentiment remains intact. Despite the pullback, gold is still up about 52% this year, supported by central bank buying, ETF inflows, and expectations of further Fed cuts. The yen weakened to around 153 on Thursday as politics and weak data dimmed hopes for Bank of Japan tightening. Conservative leader Sanae Takaichi, a staunch supporter of Abenomics-style stimulus, secured victory and is poised to become prime minister, fueling expectations of more fiscal spending and ultra-loose monetary policy. Meanwhile, Japan's real wages fell 1.4% year on year in August, extending an 8-month decline as inflation continues to outpace pay growth. The euro extended its 4-day slide against the dollar, touching 1.154, the lowest in more than 2 months, before rebounding near 1.165 on Thursday. Political turmoil in France also dragged on the euro, though outgoing Prime Minister Lecornu reported progress in parliamentary talks, with Macron set to appoint a new premier soon. On the data front, German industrial production slumped 4.3% month on month, raising fresh fears of recession in Europe's largest economy.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.